The Amazon reveals itself as one of the most brutal and, at the same time, fascinating landscapes on the planet. Between rivers with unpredictable currents and forests that seem endless, life pulses under relentless rules. Here, every species fights daily for food, space, and survival. The atmosphere is dense, marked by humid heat, sudden rains, and unparalleled biological diversity. The trees, giant and imposing, form walls of vegetation that conceal both predators and prey. Sounds echo in every direction. Screeches, cracks, wing beats, muffled roars. This is a stage with no truce, ruled only by nature's law in its rawest form. The immense jungle holds mysteries and constant conflicts. Brutality blends with beauty, creating a fragile balance. It is into this territory that we now dive, where every life is defined by tension and survival. The Amazon is a green ocean covering millions of hectares. Colossal trees form the canopy, rivers snake through endless labyrinths, and the air is heavy with humidity. Only after understanding this grandeur can one truly perceive the wildlife it sustains. Colorful and loud, the scarlet macaw reigns over the Amazonian sky. Its red, blue, and yellow feathers gleam under the light filtered through the treetops. In flocks, they emit piercing calls that echo for many kilometers, warning of intruders. With powerful beaks, they crack hard fruits and seeds, playing a vital role in dispersing plant species. They are monogamous birds, loyal to a single partner for life. Their nests, built in cavities of ancient trees, shelter chicks vulnerable to predators like monkeys and snakes. The macaw's routine is marked by constant movement. They take long flights in search of food, return in synchronized flocks, and fiercely defend their territory. When attacked, they fight back with swift flights and dives toward the canopy. While the scarlet macaw rules the skies, higher up in the sunlit branches appears another icon of the forest. The Toko toucan, with its enormous orange beak playing a unique ecological role. Recognizable from afar for its vibrant and disproportionate beak, the Toko toucan uses it both to reach fruits on thin branches and to regulate body temperature. This opportunistic bird feeds on fruits, insects, and even the eggs of other birds. Its presence in the canopy is strategic. As it swallows fruits whole, it disperses seeds across distant areas, ensuring forest regeneration. With short, heavy flights, it moves among tall trees in small groups, emitting deep calls that resonate through the environment. Despite its exotic appearance, it constantly faces danger from hawks and snakes. Life atop the jungle is a precarious balance between feeding and survival. While the toucan explores the treetops lower down among vines and branches, another agile and restless creature moves. The spider monkey, the acrobat of the Amazon's heart, one of the most agile primates of the rainforest. Its long arms and prehensile tail act as a fifth limb, allowing it to swing through the canopy in great leaps, rarely touching the forest floor. Living in groups of up to 30 individuals, it roams the heights in search of fruits, seeds, and flowers. Life in a group offers protection from predators, but also fuels internal competition for food and territory. Through a mix of cries, whistles, and clicks, these groups maintain constant communication, essential for coordinating movement and warning of danger. This intense vocalization fills the forest air, functioning as a collective alarm. Yet, even with this natural social network, risks remain. Jaguars and large birds of prey lurk, waiting for a moment's distraction to capture the young. The spider monkey plays a key role in dispersing the seeds of large trees. Its varied diet ensures the spread of many plant species, maintaining the biome's structural diversity and providing food and shelter for countless other forms of life. But its survival is a constant test of agility and awareness. Every leap carries the risk of falling, attack, or isolation. Infants clinging to their mothers' backs depend entirely on their mother's experience and speed to survive. This delicate balance illustrates how life in the Amazon canopy is a continuous test of resilience and adaptation. On the same branches where monkeys compete for space, another resident moves at a completely different pace. Slowly, among leaves and moss-covered trunks, appears the royal sloth, imposing its own rhythm in an environment ruled by haste. The royal sloth is one of the most peculiar mammals in the Amazon. Unlike the energy of monkeys, it adopts a slow, almost motionless lifestyle, a true survival strategy. With dense fur in shades of grey, it blends into lichen-covered branches and trunks. This natural camouflage reduces the chances of being detected by predators like jaguars and birds of prey. It feeds mainly on leaves, which offer little energy, the reason behind its slow movements and extremely economical metabolism. Each movement reveals a unique adaptation, enduring without haste in a world where almost everything depends on speed. Despite its fragile appearance, the royal sloth is remarkably resilient. Its fur hosts a miniature ecosystem of algae and insects that enhance its camouflage. This symbiotic relationship illustrates how, in the Amazon, even the smallest details serve vital functions. Babies cling to their mothers' bodies, relying entirely on their protection and height in the trees. When adults descend to the ground, a rare and dangerous moment, usually for physiological needs, they become easy prey, showing how slowness can be both defense and risk. The sloth's rhythm contrasts with the forest's urgency, but its role is essential. By feeding on specific leaves, it influences vegetation balance. Its survival proves that even in a brutal world, there are countless ways to adapt. Every slow movement is the result of millions of years of evolution under extreme pressure. In the same sunlit canopy where the sloth rests motionless, another animal thrives in the warmth. The green iguana, agile and alert, displays an opposite survival strategy. With its long body, tough scales, and powerful tail, this reptile masters both agility and camouflage. Its green hue blends seamlessly with the foliage, allowing it to remain almost invisible among branches and vines. During the day, it basks in the sun to regulate body temperature, alternating between stillness and quick movements. Its herbivorous diet, made up mainly of leaves, flowers, and fruits, contrasts with the carnivorous habits of many other species. However, it faces constant threats. Birds of prey, snakes, and even wild cats hunt it, turning every movement into a race for survival. Despite its apparent fragility, the iguana is tough. It can detach part of its tail when caught, distracting the predator and ensuring escape. This adaptation, combined with its climbing skills, explains its success in such a competitive environment. During reproduction, females descend to the ground to bury their eggs in sandy, open areas, a critical moment when both mothers and eggs are highly vulnerable. Each season, only a fraction of the hatchlings reach adulthood, a reflection of the Amazon's intense natural selection. Lower down, where the trunks blend into the forest's shadow, another predator moves silently. The boa constrictor, a discreet and patient hunter. The boa constrictor is one of the Amazon's most iconic predators. With a robust body that can exceed 4 meters in length, it glides silently among trunks, roots, and shaded clearings. Its skin, patterned in browns and greys, provides nearly perfect camouflage. Unlike venomous snakes, the boa uses sheer strength. It coils around its prey, cutting off its breathing, and within seconds, the struggle ends. Along the flooded banks where forest meets open grass and mud, another protagonist emerges in large herds. The capybara is the world's largest rodent and one of the most familiar sights along the Amazon's riverbanks. Living in groups of more than 20 individuals, capybaras depend on social life for protection and access to resources. Their robust, semi-aquatic bodies reveal a key adaptation, a deep bond with water. Through long dives and silent movements, they use rivers and lakes as escape routes, reducing danger from predators. They feed mainly on grasses and aquatic plants, playing an important role in maintaining vegetation balance along the shores. Despite their calm appearance, their lives are filled with tension. Jaguars, caimans, and anacondas are frequent hunters. The group's strategy is clear: constant vigilance. While some feed, others stand guard. A sharp alarm call triggers an immediate rush to the water, where survival chances rise. This efficient social organization proves that cooperation is vital in such a brutal environment. The young are especially vulnerable and depend on the group for protection during their first months. In each litter, only some survive predator attacks. Still, the capybara remains a key piece in the Amazonian web of life, both prey and contributor to the nutrient cycle. Its abundance is both its greatest strength and its main weakness, drawing predators in search of easy prey. Following the rivers that cut through these landscapes, another mysterious figure emerges from the dark waters. The pink river dolphin, enigmatic and adapted to aquatic life, rules the channels and tributaries of the Amazon. Adapted to both wide rivers and narrow creeks, this freshwater dolphin has a flexible body and fins that allow complex maneuvers among submerged trees. Its coloration, ranging from grey to deep pink, changes with age and blood flow, a unique feature. With limited vision in murky waters, it relies on echolocation, emitting high-pitched sounds that bounce back as echoes, revealing hidden prey and obstacles. It hunts fish, crustaceans, and even small turtles in complete darkness. Yet, its life is marked by competition. Males often battle fiercely, even using stones or sticks as displays of strength. This aggressiveness contrasts with the dolphin's careful hunting behavior, where sonic precision determines success. Beyond interactions among individuals, the pink river dolphin faces growing challenges imposed by the Amazon's own nature. The variation in water levels alters movement and feeding routines, demanding quick adaptations to constantly changing environments. Ecologically, the pink river dolphin is a key element in maintaining the river's balance. By controlling fish populations, it ensures aquatic diversity, yet it is also a target. Calves can be attacked by large caimans or jaguars in floodplain areas. Its survival depends on mobility and social intelligence, traits that reinforce its role as the invisible protagonist beneath the waters. This combination of strength, strategy, and vulnerability captures the constant drama of the Amazonian rivers. In the same deep waters where the pink river dolphin glides with agility, another giant rises to dominate the scene. The arapaima, one of the largest freshwater fish on Earth, can grow over 3 meters long and weigh more than 200 kilograms. Found in calm Amazonian lakes and channels, it dominates its surroundings with size and power. Unlike most fish, it breathes air through a modified swim bladder, forcing it to surface regularly. This behavior, although essential, exposes it to both natural and human hunters. Its highly prized meat has made the arapaima the target of intense exploitation, reducing populations in several regions. In the ecological dynamic, the arapaima is a top predator. It feeds on other fish, crustaceans, and even small vertebrates, regulating aquatic food chains. Its hunting technique combines strength and precision. It approaches slowly and, with a swift movement, captures its prey with its powerful mouth. During the breeding season, it forms stable pairs, displaying a rare example of parental behavior among large fish. The male protects the newborn fry, guiding them along the surface, while the female stays close, ready to defend them. Even so, attacks from piranhas and caimans can threaten the survival of the young. The arapaima reigns as one of the greatest predators of the Amazon's waters, hunting fish and even small animals that venture into the river. Yet, not every inhabitant of these waterways depends solely on strength and size to survive. In the same currents, dense schools conceal a relentless threat. The piranhas. With sharp jaws and aggressive behavior, they reveal another brutal side of the Amazonian rivers. They are true symbols of the river's savagery. Living in large schools, these fish possess short jaws and razor-edged teeth, capable of slicing through flesh and bone with precision. Their bite force is disproportionate to their size, allowing for fast and efficient attacks. Although their reputation is marked by episodes of extreme aggression, most of the time they feed on smaller fish, organic remains, and even fallen fruits. This dietary flexibility reinforces their ecological importance as they act as natural recyclers of the aquatic environment. The collective behavior of piranhas increases both their efficiency and the impact of their attacks. When a school enters a feeding frenzy, the speed of destruction is astonishing. Within just a few minutes, a medium-sized prey can be reduced to bones. This behavior, though rare under normal conditions, is triggered by specific situations such as food scarcity or the presence of injured animals. This explosive potential maintains the piranha's reputation as one of the most feared predators in the Amazon. Despite their ferocity, piranhas are also prey. Caimans, river dolphins, and even arapaimas hunt them, showing that even a prominent predator must constantly face danger. The balance endures because piranhas help control the populations of smaller species, preventing demographic explosions while at the same time sustaining larger predators. Their presence in the rivers is synonymous with tension, a reminder that in the Amazon, even the smallest creatures can represent lethal danger. In the same waters where schools of piranhas spread fear, another hunter moves silently between riverbanks and clearings. The jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, is the Amazon's ultimate predator. With a muscular body, immense jaw strength and stealthy behavior, it rules both land and water. Unlike other big cats, it swims with ease, hunting in rivers and ambushing unsuspecting prey. Capybaras, caimans, tapirs, and even large fish are part of its varied diet. Its bite is the strongest among felines, capable of piercing skulls and shells, ensuring swift kills. Each attack is the result of extreme patience, marked by absolute silence and a sudden explosion of strength. The jaguar's territory stretches for dozens of kilometers. Solitary by nature, it patrols the forest in search of food and occasional mates. Its tracks, faint on the damp ground, reveal its presence only to the most observant eyes. Despite its status as a top predator, the jaguar still faces threats. Cubs can be hunted by large reptiles, and adults sometimes engage in violent clashes over territory. These confrontations are rare, yet they highlight the relentless struggle for survival, even among the strongest. The simple roar of this feline is enough to silence the surrounding forest, revealing the fear it inspires in every species. In the Amazon, the jaguar is not just another animal. It is the embodiment of strength, tension, and the raw brutality of the wild. The journey through the Amazon reveals the strength of an ecosystem that is both grand and unforgiving. From the colorful birds that fill the skies to the giants that rule the rivers, every species plays a vital part in nature's balance. This harmony is sustained through tension, predator and prey, abundance and scarcity, speed and stillness. Nothing exists in isolation. The forest, rivers and animals form an intricate web of survival built on adaptation. The brutality we see is not cruelty, but the essence of the life cycle that keeps the forest alive. It is a land where every moment can mean life or death, a reminder of the raw, breathtaking drama of this unique biome. If you felt the power of this journey, like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the next stories of nature in its purest form. See you next time.